Hi, Prohado here. Today I want to show you the installation of the LasFit LED lighting. Mercedes GLS is a very capable SUV, but if you have the 2016 to 2019 model without the lighting package, you may notice that the headlight is extremely dim at night. So I've tried different solutions, and today I want to show you the LasFit. It comes with two LED light bulbs, ordered from their website. It has a product manual, walks you through the installation process. It's pretty well packaged. It's in this hard paper package. And these headlights, you got LED on each side, and this plugs in directly into the Mercedes headlight system, low beam headlight system. And each bulb is rated at 3000 lumens. The color temperature is at 6000 kelvins, which is pretty bright. Right, you can hopefully this will improve the visibility. Alright, so we're in the car. If you have this race car feature, I recommend to use it, as this will give you additional space. Alright, first you locate the so there's a plastic piece here that you can access the low beam lights, and there is a rivet in this plastic piece that you can use a tool to remove. There's a rivet removal tool, but I don't have one. I'll just use this hook. Okay, the rivet is removed. Right, so basically, when you install it back, you just push it back to the plastic piece. And there's a handle here that holds the cover in place. Push it up, so this comes right down. Okay, so this is where the rivet goes, and then you push up on the plastic piece to remove. Now you have access into the headlight. All right, after remove the plastic piece, you'll see this round plastic cover protecting the headlight. You want to remove that. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You turn it counterclockwise. And this plastic piece. Okay, next, go ahead and remove the headlight, the bulb. And you disconnect the bulb from the system. All right. Here's the halogen lamp that come with it. Okay, now it's removed. You want to carefully to not touch the bulb, as the oil on your finger can transfer to the bulb. The bulb's still useful, or you can use it as a backup. All right, next I got the LasFit LED light out from the box. Well, okay. And yeah, we're going to install this in, and this plug will go into the car side. Okay, and there are already metal clips that you can rotate clockwise into the system. Okay. All right, we'll start with this. Still has the bracket on it. Remove the bracket. Alright, and then should be a tool here. connection. Okay, now it's plugged in. Get the LED in there. Secure in place. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my engine and turn on the headlight to see if this works. You're going to see flickering because the camera frame rate is different from the light frequency. Okay. Alright, good on the first try. This works. It's very bright compared to what I had before, the factory one. I'm going to change the other side now. Okay, after putting the cap on, I'm ready to put back the this plastic protection guard. Basically, you install, push it down with this handle, and then the rivet, you insert it and then push it in so it locks it in place. Alright, this is tight. Okay, so after remove the bulb inside, then again, like the left side, the right side I'll go ahead with the installation. Okay. Find the plug. Try inside the connection. Okay. Put this in. Up. And then try on the headlight. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I did have to reverse the plug for my right one, but now it works. I like the 6000 K color temperature. It gives you a very white feel. Okay, just adding a picture here. Post installation, you can clearly see the difference that it's much brighter than the factory setup. So the installation is really quite simple, and I hope this video is helping you to upgrade your factory setup for a safer night driving. Thank you for watching.